Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to get an Avatar World City Life mod menu. So as you can see, everything's unlocked, free shopping, all stories, unlock all places, unlock all characters. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this onto your device. So basically go to this site zoommods.com, I believe, and type in Avatar World City Life, and there it is. Press on it, and then we begin the download. So this is the modded version with the mod menu, and it is starting to download. So let's just give it a second here, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just going to let it download. Alright, so before we can actually install this onto our device, there is one more step. And it's pretty straightforward, guys. It's just a verification. So let's go ahead and wait for it to load. So here it is, Avatar World City Life Hack Installer. Please install 2 free apps. So there's 4 apps here. You pick 2 of them. You read the instructions. TikTok, down and run for 30 seconds. WGT Golf, reach level 10. Family Island, reach level 10. So as long as you read the instructions to complete them, you will get your Avatar World City Life hack. So it's super cool, and I'll see you guys in another video. But make sure you guys do the verification, and you will install your Avatar World City Life mod, bro. Now, I need to stress this. Some people will mess up. They won't read the instructions, so make sure you read them, guys. Like, run for 30 seconds, reach level 10, whatever it says. I mean, they got an AI bot. You can ask for help. So that is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. It's super cool. And it totally works. So I'll see you guys later. But yeah, tell your friends, because this is super cool and fully updated. So yeah, just complete it, guys. Should be good to go. So I'm gonna see you later. But yeah, subscribe. This is updated and everything. Fully works. So I'm gonna see you later and peace out.